Final step, attach robotic ignition system. Thank you for using help desk technology.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Tiki Bandit, and we are starting off on part 1 of Ratchet and Clank. Let's jump into it.
Welcome to the Gadgetron Help Desk. We are here to offer you advice during your interplanetary travels. The Help Desk is a free service provided by Gadgetron Corporation. Help Desk messages by pressing the triangle. To disable Help Desk messages, please select options from the pause menu.
Oops.
Gadgetron's OmniRange 8000 includes a new
Sit down.
Use the R1 button.
Ooh. Hello there. And you're done for. What's this? Bye-bye. You too.
To fire, you can also use it in first person.
Nice. All in one. Nope, not today.
Interesting.
Yay!
You're quite handy with your wrench.
You bet. I built that ship with it.
Currently, I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in saving the solar system. Do you know where I might find that fellow?
Well, he's on the radio every week. Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?
Hello, citizens of... My race, the Blog, have a small problem. Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here. But I, Chairman Drek, have a solution. We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available. So, what does this mean to you, you might ask? Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand, we will be extracting a large portion of your planet and adding it to our new one. Unfortunately, this change in mass will cause your planet to spin out of control and drift into the sun, where it will explode into a flaming ball of gas. But, of course, sacrifices must be made. Thank you for your cooperation.
Cut!
And if you don't like it, you can take your whiny, sniveling, snot-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my... We're still on? Well, turn it off, you idiot!
The people on those planets are hosed. Well, good luck getting Captain Quark to help you.
Actually, you could help me. If you could use your ship to take me to the coordinates contained in this infobot, I might be able to gather further information there.
Even if I wanted to, I can't. I'm missing a crucial component of the ship.
The robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems. My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
So, I agree to take you to this wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.
Deal.
This could be a problem. Take care of it.
Whoa, this is great! So that's where I've been stuck this whole time.
Please return your appendages to the steering mechanism, sir.
Huh? Oh, right. Sorry. Oh, and by the way, you can stop calling me sir. The name's Ratchet.
Pleased to make your acquaintance, sir.
You got a name?
My serial number is V54296.
Oops. I'll just call you Clank for short. Hang on.
So you see, it would be most beneficial if your citizens were not in the city when my workers begin removing it.
Preposterous! I will not stand for this.
Unfortunately, you have no choice in the matter.
Let's just see what Captain Quark has to say about that, my good man. I don't see what's so funny. Captain Quark could dispatch you without even breaking a sweat, you puny.
You have now officially worn out your welcome and my patience.
This is your last chance. Stop this madness now!
Okay, wait. You're right. I will withdraw my troops.
Really?
No! He's all yours, gentlemen. Try not to leave any marks.
Clank? Where are you? Oh, sorry about that. Well, we're not leaving the way we came in.
Perhaps we could procure a ship from one of the inhabitants.
If there are any left.
All right, here we go. What the heck are those, bees? Nope. Nope. Oh. Nice shot. Ooh. Nope. And you're down. I'll take those. Oh, not cool. Get out of here. Oh, what's that gonna prove? Bye-bye. You're next. Maybe not. Don't you move. There we go. Down. Ellie. Let's swat some flies. Oh! Mean little fly. It's like a horse fly. It bit me. Straight up bit me. It's gonna hurt later. Oh. Hello there. And if I cut in?
Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Oh, what are you? Mercenaries? Torturers? Assassins? I'll tell you anything. Here, take my infobot. It's all I've got left.
Sir, we're
Wait, you
not
don't have any
assassins.
toilet paper?
On. Let's see what he's got.
Has this ever happened to you? Hi, I'm Captain Quark, and believe me, there's nothing worse than staring down a Blargian snagglebeast from the inside and knowing your equipment isn't functioning properly. That's why I come to Al's Robo Shack for all my electronic needs. Al has been the exclusive repair shop for my super electro gadgets since I was knee-high to a sand mouse. If Al can't fix it, it's not broke. Right, Al? You said it, pal. So if you're fighting crime, or just fighting grime, come to Al's Robo Shack in Metropolis for all your robotic repairs. Al's Robo Shack, it's Quarktastic!
Do you know what this means?
Yeah, Captain Quark is really sold out.
No, it means Captain Quark is on Metropolis. We could tell him about this invasion.
If we had a ship.
What? A ship? What? You're not going to torture me? Well, as planetary chairman, I could arrange for you to borrow our courier ship.
Cool.
You can count on us, sir.
Right. Thank you, your chairman shipliness.
So like what, a rental?
Gadgetron infobots give you coordinates for new planets. You should press the select button to bring up the map and go to your ship.
Let's check out up here. What is this, the Bat Cave? I don't know, let's check it out. Oh, I just made that. I did not think I was gonna make that. Shoot, fly. Take those. Oh, what was that? Get out. Alright, what's that? Up, up, up. Guess I'll have to go over here. Yep, there we go. And again. I just don't want to fall. There we go.
Dad blast it!
Look, plumber's crack.
What did you just say?
I said, look, the plumber's back.
All right, wise guy. Shouldn't you be on one of them escape transports?
Escape transports?
Newsflash, giant robots attacking! The escape transports are taking all the rich folks off this gall-darn planet.
So why aren't you on one?
Socioeconomic disparity.
What?
He hasn't got enough bolts.
Working people have to wait for Captain Quark to save us.
Well, got anything worth a lot of bolts?
I got this thing. Shows two weirdos ditching their ship. It's got coordinates to a desert planet, too.
An infobot. Ratchet, we could use that.
What the heck?
Geronimo!
Did he just slide down a sewer pipe?
Yes, he did.
Mayday, mayday! This is the solar ship Radical. We seem to be under attack from the planet's surface.
Relax, kid. It looks like some sort of fireworks display. Probably in your honor.
Whoa! That was close! Ah!
Pipe down, I can't concentrate.
Oh, we've been hit!
An unexpected detour. When we land, I'll see if I can scare up an exhibition for you.
We're not gonna live that long!
Kid, let's M-screen!
Eject! Eject!
Did you see that guy on the left? That was Skid McMarks.
Does he know Captain Quark?
I doubt it. He's a pro hoverboarder, always going off about how cool he is.
Looks like he's in trouble.
I'll say. I've never seen him look so freaked out.
Oh, here we go. Alley-oop. Whee! Nice. Let's go. Oh wow, he can jump high for a little guy. Alrighty, where do we want to go? Let's go here, since that was the first place. Let's do it. And we're here. Is there anything new? What do you know there is? Oh!
I got some great bargains for you today.
Ooh, I'll take that. Yeah, give me that. Can't buy ammo? How much ammo can I get? 100? YOLO. That's what I'm talking about. I'll take a gun any day.
To quickly center the camera, just tap the L1 button.
Sit down. Oh. What the heck? It's like a nuclear... Oh, I don't like that. Boom shakalaka. Come here, Poochie.
You can accurately aim the blast
Hey.
if you hold down the L1 button.
Bad dog. Oh, bad dog.
Did you
Going down. Hostile. Whoa, what the heck are you? Hey, bad dog. Get down. Jeez.
Ratchet, that's the man we saw on the infobot. Remember? He knows Captain Quark.
Hey, you're that robot guy, right?
No, actually, I build robots. I myself am not a robot guy, per se.
Nerd.
I like him.
So, now that we've cleared that up, what can I do for you?
Well, we saw your infobot announcement. You were with Captain Quark. We're trying to find Captain Quark. We thought you could help us.
Your logic is commendable. However, I haven't seen Captain Quark since we shot that commercial. Say, do you run on standard XP18 sister boards?
Version 7.66.
Back at ya. I may be able to help you out after all. How does a helipack upgrade sound?
Upgrade?
Natch. Since he's a 766, I could have the little guy up and flying in no time. Of course, I'll just need my fee for service.
The heck, better be good.
Okay, this won't hurt a bit.
Hey, wait. Ratchet. Am I cool now?
Ooh,
Yeah, you the man, Clank.
I'll take that.
Welcome.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Sorry. Oh, nice. Take that any day.
You'll need your new Helipack stretch jump feature to cross this gap.
Ta-da! Up, up, and away.
Try using the glide feature of your new Helipack. Jump, and then press and hold the X button.
Inspector
in
Gadget.
mid-air.
Da-na-na-na-na-na. Oh, it takes a little more than one hit. Bye-bye. Bet you can't fly. There ain't no jetpack on the back. Take those. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Going up. Get murked. Going up. Ooh, train station. Not today. Who's next? You're out of here. What's in here? Oh, jeez. That's a lot of money. I'll take it. So greedy. Oop. All aboard. Choo-choo. Oh, jeez. Choo-choo. What's that guy shooting at? Is he shooting at me already? He's gonna end up hitting his own guy. So I'm good with that. Ooh. Bye-bye. Oh boy. No. Oh! Oh! That scared me. That was a little rush. Oh! I didn't think I was gonna make that. Sweet. That was a quick ride. Oh, where are you going, little guy? Come back. Oh! That's what you do. You leave little turd bombs all over the place. Hey, buddy.
Greetings, Executive Chairman Drek.
Dispense with the pleasantries, Lieutenant. My sources tell me you're behind schedule. You must prepare this planet to be harvested for our new world.
Yes, sir. As you can see, everything is moving along as planned.
I'm counting on you, Lieutenant. And as your former commander can tell you, I don't take disappointment well.
Yes, sir. I won't fail.
Drek is destroying yet another planet.
Yeah, but if that's the kind of help he's getting, I don't think we have anything to worry about.
You should not underestimate Chairman Drek. He is quite dangerous. We must find Captain Quark.
Look, that lieutenant doesn't seem so tough. Let's take him out ourselves.
Perhaps we can persuade the lieutenant to tell us where Drek is.
Now you're talking.
Let's get dangerous. Going down.
Welcome to the Captain Quark Fitness Course. If you're strong enough, fast enough, and clever enough to beat my fitness challenge, you will receive a reward from my head trainer. Simply make your way to the third island to complete the course. Good luck. Quark Enterprises is not responsible for sprains, broken bones, snapped tendons, bruised egos, or accidental death incurred while taking the challenge.
Excuse me, Captain, but we have more pressing issues. We urgently need your assistance.
Clank?
Yes?
Do you notice anything unusual about Captain Quark?
Well, I find the fact that he has a spring where his leg should be to be quite puzzling.
And why do you think that is?
Possibly an injury incurred while battling evil?
This isn't the real Captain Quark, you numbskull. It's a robot.
Oh.
Oh. I didn't know that. Makes sense. Oh, up. Come on. Oh, come on. There we go.
You can use the zip line if you stand under the wire and jump.
Whee! Who's honking at me? I'm walking here. Well, gliding. Technically, sliding. Oh, moving, huh? Come on. There we go. Ooh. Oh, nope. Oh, I almost went there and I almost died. Well, I wouldn't have died, but you get what I mean.
These moving walls also function as jump slides. Jump and jump again to kick off the walls in midair.
Nope. Alright. Nice. Assassin's Creed got nothing on me. I'll take all those.
Press and hold the L1
Alley-oop. Who's this chick? Guess we're gonna find out. What's up, lady?
Listen up, you loudballs! That was the most pathetic display I have ever seen on that obstacle course!
What do you mean?
We finished the circuit, ma'am.
Oh yeah, but it is weak. When I was competing, I would devour courses like that for breakfast.
Bet that's not all.
If it were up to me, you would drill for the rest of the day. But somehow you managed to impress that fool Captain Quark.
Captain Quark knows about us?
He certainly does. And worst of all, he wants me to give you a prize for that ridiculous performance.
Cool, what is it?
I'm supposed to give you a swing shot, so you can sway to and fro like little insects.
All right, let's see it.
Not so fast. Today, the two of you disgraced my obstacle course, so I am going to make you pay.
But that prize is ours from the captain. That's not fair.
Too bad. Life's not fair.
Jeez, I mean, come on.
Sweet. I bet Captain Quark uses stuff like this all the time.
Ha! Real men can swing without silly toys like that. The two of you make me sick.
Batman.
Congratulations on your new Gadgetron swing shot. Use it on standard Versa targets like the ones nearby. If the target is out of view, use the L1.
Nice. Spider-Man. Where do I go now? Oh. Oh. Nice. I like that. Going down. Let's get off this planet. Go to the next, shall we? Okay. Really want to go here. Let's go here. I like that.
Yes, quite lovely. That should just about do it. Commander, we are finished with this world. Commence towing our planet to its next destination. Lieutenant!
Yes, sir.
You have fulfilled your tree quota. Barely.
We are ready to return to base.
Not so fast, Lieutenant. Just because we don't need any more trees doesn't mean they should have them. Destroy everything.
And here we go. Hello, Choppy. What's on here? Oh.
Hi there, Buzzball.
I really like my gun, though. I gotta admit. Wait. Oh, there it is. I'll take those. How much wood could a woodchuck... Or no. How much wood could a woodchuck... If a woodchuck could chuck wood. There we go. I couldn't say it fast enough. Too busy playing the game. Oh! Did not see that. Round and round and round we go. Permission to cross. Didn't even see me. Hello. Goodbye. Nope, not today. Sit down. Ooh! Who's over here? Oh! Oh! Not cool. Nope. His head went all high up. What are you, a giraffe bot? No. That's not fair. Let's get it over with. Boom, shakalaka. You too. Smack. Oh, I need some help. It's not good. Take that. Ah, much better. Didn't even have to touch you. Sit down. Nice. No. Oh boy. Nice try. Almost had me though. Ooh, what's this?
Sweet!
Gadgetron's suck cannon can vacuum up multiple enemies, then fire them out as high-caliber missiles. Caution, enemies must be small enough to fit inside the barrel.
Okay, got it. Enemies have to be small enough to fit in the hole, and we're all good. Where is it? I just thought... Did I just see someone? I'm seeing things. I'm going crazy. So, looks like I have to come here. Hey!
It's him, Skid McMarks.
That man from the infobot.
In the flesh, little dude. You guys get a load of that epic space battle I was in?
We saw ya, screaming for help.
That was like a war cry. My agent and I got ambushed on the way to hoverboard practice.
Did he survive the crash, sir?
He's okay, but I've had a little trouble getting back to my ship due to my sprained ankle.
Oh, come on.
If you can take out all the sand sharks, I just might have a spare hoverboard for you.
We'd love to help you, Mr. McMarks, but Ratchet and I need to find Captain...
One of your boards? I've always wanted a decent hoverboard. Well, alright. You just keep that foot elevated.
You just keep that foot elevated. That's great. And they're all, you see them start running. Oh shoot! And they start running. Oh, that thing is amazing. Can't get in there. Oh, no. Bad. Sit down. Is there more over here? Yes, there is. Oh my gosh, raining sand sharks. Oh, more? Jeez. He's just like giving birth to him. Nice. Oh! Ouch! Lucky bite. Get out. You too. No, bad dog. Or piranha. Dog piranha. It's like a piranha dog. I don't know. Holy smokes! Battlefield. Nope. Nope. Ah, man. Everywhere. Stop that. Oh. Wait, how many? 3? Oh! He's popping out like daisies. There we go. Nice. Ooh, now that's a hoverboard.
Catch.
Because it actually
Brand new
hovers, kids.
C3000.
Doesn't have
We
wheels.
can't even buy these.
Well, I got a bail. Catch you dudes at the hoverboard races.
Heck yeah.
You've just acquired a Gadgetron Z3000 hoverboard. Use your new hoverboard at the racetrack in Blackwater City on Planet Wilgar.
Get on. Oh. What? Ow. Hey, bad kitty. That's right. Sit down. Oh, do not want to get in that stuff. Up and away. Not today. Sit down. Ooh. And you're down for the count. Nice. Well, that's far down. Nope. Get out. Is that all you got? Let's shimmy. Take all that. Okey-dokey. Oh, hey there, pal.
No signal whatsoever. This downtime is killing me.
Do you need medical attention, sir?
Don't be so literal, son. The problem is I'm
Yeah,
stranded on this
Baymax.
backwater planet and my star client is nowhere to be found.
Hey, we saw you on that info bot. You're Skid's agent.
Was Skid's agent. Haven't seen him since our ship crashed. And an agent without a client is like a flea without a dog. Say, you look like an athletic kid. If you can bring back the championship prize from the hoverboard races in Blackwater City, I'll make you my next star.
We have no time for trivial matters, sir.
I could be the next Skid McMarks.
From the hoverboard races. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Handy dandy web slinger.
You can use the right analog stick to control the camera. If you'd like, you can reverse the camera.
Spider-Man.
Just select camera from the options menu.
Oh. Oh. There we go. Whee! Up and away. Ah, here's what we need for the other planet.
Yes!
Using the latest in precision laser technology, the Gadgetron Trespasser is guaranteed to work on Gadgetron's line of Invinso lock security doors.
Alright. Let's do this.
Lasers are mounted on each ring of the Invinso lock. Aim the lasers at the receptors on the outside ring to turn them green. All receptors must be green before the
Bingo! Come on, there we go. Back in my ship, go back to that planet. And we're back. Time to use that key. Open sesame. Oh, that would have been fun if I didn't make that. Ooh, Spider-Man time. Nice. Didn't know if I'd make that or not. Whee! Oh, key time. Plug it in, plug it in. Alright. Sweet, there we go. Alright. Nice. Hey, look at this guy. Oh! That's no egg.
You sure showed him.
I suppose I did.
Is your current occupation leaving a rotten taste in your mouth? Then you need to know about BTS, Blog Tactical Research Station. Hi, I'm Supreme Executive Chairman Drek, and we here at BTS are seeking motivated individuals to fill positions in these exciting careers. Grind boot tester, warhead assembly technician, mutant animal husbandry, robot repairman, suck cannon test dummy, and administrative assistant. So call BTS. Build our weapons while you build your future.
I'm calling BTS today.
Now we're talking. Did you see all the cool gadgets they're making? Let's go get some.
No, we must continue our search for Captain Quark.
You're absolutely right.
I am?
Sure. We need to find Quark. Although when we find him, wouldn't it be nice to be able to tell him where Chairman Drek is?
I suppose.
Well, we go to the space station and talk to the scientists. They work for Drek, so they're bound to know where he is.
I am unsure about your logic.
You think too much. Come on, let's go.
So that is wrapping up part 1 of Ratchet and Clank. Part 2 will be coming shortly, and the rest of the series. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoy.